$2 bottle of Elmer's glue that is crazy. This right here, this is not touched by anything other than my hands on the bottle, but that's it. But anyways, it has not been touched. I didn't do anything to it. Anyways, I was at Target and I was just looking at the stuff, you know, looking at their slimes, and I went past their glue bottles just to check if Elmer's had any more like new glue things, and I found this thing, this monstrosity. Here's a normal gallon of clear glue, Elmer's clear glue. That's how it's supposed to look. And usually it has like a little bit of a yellow tint. Sometimes it gets crazy, but usually it's like fine like this. But then I passed this. This is an Elmer's color glue, guys. This is Elmer's clear glue. Okay, it doesn't say color glue. Do you guys see this? It's yellow. And then this is dairy. So basically, I'm gonna try it out. I bought it, you know, just for that reason. And we're gonna try it out. We're gonna see. Maybe it's better. Maybe it's terrible. And just see what's going on with it. So yeah. So let's straight out into the video. What yo? Alrighty guys, so here it's the gallon of Elmer's glue. So I just want to show you guys really quick. Do you see, can you see it? Ah, there you go. Did you see that? What the heck? Do you see how watery it is? So I got it because like, not only is it extremely yellow, but it's like super watery. And like Elmer's glue is supposed to be like, you know, super thick. Like here, this is another gallon. You see that? Do you guys see that? That's thick glue. This is, what is this? What happened? So first, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put regular, normal Elmer's clear glue, just the normal one. So there it is. Beautiful, so nice and thick. Okay, I'm gonna put some blue pigment in it, just a little bit, just to color it, because I don't know, I felt like it. I actually got this from Wish, guys, and it was only $2. I thought it was a pretty good steal. Okay, I'm gonna mix that. I'm gonna use my donut spoon today because I feel like it. I want it to still be clear, that's why I'm not adding that much pigment. So I'm gonna add some food coloring. Alrighty, I'm just gonna make it pink. There we go. And let's mix. So as you guys can see, this glue is very nice and thick. It's like one of the thickest glues out there. Wow, that actually looks really cool. Anyways, now we're gonna go ahead and activate it. We're just gonna use my normal activator. It's just borax. Whoopsies. Hopefully that wasn't too much. Uh-oh. This spoon is hard to use. Alrighty guys, so here is the slime. It's all done, all good. So this is just some normal Elmer's glue slime, nothing in it. No, nothing, just borax. So just a normal slime, am I right? Okay, there's nothing really to say about it. I mean, it's just, you know, normal Elmer's glue slime. So yeah, all right. Now we're gonna go ahead and do, I'm sorry. Okay, anyways, we're gonna go ahead and do a Dairy glue really quick just to show you guys the difference on the textures and how thick they are. I like Dairy glue because it's only like $10 a pop, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, it's not as thick as Elmer's, but it is super duper clear. It's actually clearer than Elmer's sometimes, and well, usually. So yeah, it's usually clearer than Elmer's, and I'm sorry guys, I'm lost. Anyways, it's not as thick, but it's usually clear, and yeah, okay, that's it. That was such a mess, I'm sorry guys. So I'm gonna put holographic glitter in this one because it's very pretty. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and activate it. So the Elmer's didn't really need that much activator. I think this is normal activator. Sometimes I have strong activator, sometimes I have just normal, sometimes I have weak. That is just normal, I think like 1 cup with a teaspoon of borax. So it doesn't need that much. Alrighty guys, so here it's the gallon of Elmer's glue. What is this? What happened? Like that's not even, the color splash is thicker. Okay, anyways, so we're gonna try it out. We're gonna see what's going on. I'm gonna smell it first. I'm sorry guys, I got some in my nose. Anyways, it smells like, kind of like cologne. Yeah, it smells like straight up cologne. That's weird. Or like a perfume. Do you guys see that? Like, what happened? Elmer's, explain. So you know, Ameerah had to get one of these. Usually I don't buy gallons of glue from the store, clear Elmer's glue gallons, but this one I had to. All right, let's go ahead and add some activator. So this is just borax, normal regular borax. I think it's a bit stronger than usual. Oh my God, guys, this is like strong borax, I think. Is this really not gonna, okay, this is getting crazy, oh my God. Okay, you know, I'm gonna get some Tide, maybe that will do something. right, we're gonna add some, this is Tide Simply Free and Sensitive. This one is like a clear Tide. All right, let's try this. Usually Tide for some reason works sometimes better. Not this time. This is crazy, guys. Oh my. And like I even checked on the bottom to make sure it wasn't like slime activator or something, because I actually did that one time on a glue bottle, Crazy Air glue with slime activator. But this one is, it says washable clear glue. They all say washable clear glue, right? Yeah, it's always washable. Like it's the same exact thing. So guys, I just want to show you, same exact thing. Washable clear glue, #1 teacher brand, safe, non-toxic. This one might be a little toxic. Seriously. Guys, I can't believe that this is not working. This is so weird. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Okay, anyways. What I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna add a little bit of normal Elmer's glue just to see like maybe that will work or something. I don't know. But let's try it. So I just a little bit. Like it's not a lot at all. Wow, it's already activating, guys. Like this is basically a bowl of activator. Okay, there's the glue. It's activating. So there's nothing wrong with the activator or something like that. I don't know. This is crazy, guys. I don't know what's wrong with this whatever it is. I'm gonna add some more Elmer's glue because I want to see like maybe it has a different texture, you know? It's like so soapy too. Like what the heck? This is crazy, guys. I can't. Okay, well that didn't work at all. I'm gonna try this again, except I'm gonna mix the glue with the other yellow glue, and I'm gonna see what happens. So yeah. Alrighty, guys. So first, I'm gonna put some Elmer's glue, just a little bit, and then some of this Elmer's toxic waste. Okay, I just put a little bit. All right, let's mix that up. Is it activating it? Did it activate or something? No? No, it didn't activate. Okay. It definitely is a lot more soapy than, you know, it normally is. This is so watery. Look how much, did they like put soap in there? Look at this, guys. Why is it doing that? Like, jeez. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna add some blue food coloring in here, just a little bit, because since it's yellow, I want to see if it will turn like green or something. Oh my gosh, I think it's turning green. Okay, well I put too much blue, but it is kind of turquoise. It's like a sea green. All right, let's go ahead and activate it now, see if it activates. Put more like that much. Okay, it's activating. I feel like it activates faster though, like than like it normally does, because like I barely even put that much, and like usually I pour a lot more. What the heck? This is crazy, guys. Oh no, I got some of my shirt. Guys, okay, you guys saw how much I put. I barely put anything. Like, what? This is crazy. I can't. What is going on? What happened? Guys, this is crazy. Okay, it's like all dry now. It's like not even just like overactivated or anything. It's like dry. Okay, I have another idea. I am gonna try and activate this glue with just baking soda, because the Crazy Air clear glue, you can activate it with like baking soda or like shaving cream. So I'm gonna try that with this one. Maybe that's the dealio with this glue. So we're gonna try that out. But what happened? Like, this isn't even full on that glue. This is regular glue with that toxic waste. I'm telling you, it's toxic waste. It's not glue. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna do this again, but this time I'm gonna try and activate it with shaving cream. I'm only gonna put a little bit, because usually when you try and activate with shaving cream, it needs a lot. So yeah. Also, I'm not gonna put any food colorings, because sometimes it kind of like melts it. I don't want anything to happen, you know. I don't want to mess up the chances of it working. So we're just gonna go ahead and try this out. So I'm only gonna put a little bit. Let's see. I hope it works, guys. Nope, I don't think it's gonna work, guys. Uh-oh. Maybe it'll at least activate, though. It's not working at all. It's like this glue doesn't have any PVA in it or something. Like, does it even work as normal glue? Like, as in gluing stuff together? What glue is originally meant for? Yeah, this isn't working at all. Oh my God. Maybe if I add the activator now, though, maybe it'll work, because the shaving cream is kind of like a strong thingy adder. Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and add some Darice glue. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add some Darice glue and we're gonna see what happens. Maybe it will become a real slime. I didn't add a lot, like I added like a little bit. Let's try this again. Well, it's activating, so there's nothing wrong at all. Just the glue. This is crazy, guys. I cannot believe this. Last time I got like a extremely yellow glue gun too, like from online. I just got it like that. It was like green or yellow. I think I like got green. And anyways, I did a whole giant version of it, and it was like a yellow clear slime, and I didn't add anything. But like this one straight up doesn't even work. Like that one, it worked. Just this one, what happened? What did they do? What happened in the factory when they were making this? Is this like a new glue Elmer's is putting out? Toxic waste slime? Toxic waste glue? Were they trying to trick people into buying their glue? Okay, this is what it turned into. I don't even think it's gonna become a slime. I want this to work so badly because like it's so weird, but I don't think it's gonna work like with anything. I'm gonna try baking soda again, and yeah, but I don't think it's gonna work. All right guys, so here's what the slime turned into. It actually turned out pretty good. Like, what is this? It's like a jiggly, fluffy slime. This is crazy. It's like so weird. So I'm gonna try and make the whole bowl because this is like only a little piece. But I'm gonna try and make the whole bowl and we can like look at that. But this is like, it actually has a pretty cool texture. Okay guys, to make this slime, it actually takes like a lot of squishing. Why did I say it's squishing? It takes a lot of like squishing, like the foam. So like I have to go like this for a really long time. Okay, it's finally starting to kind of like form, but like still I gotta squish out a lot of like the foam or something. I don't know what I'm squishing out. I'm squishing out something. Okay, it's working, see? It kind of feels like it's burning like right here. Okay guys, should I keep playing with this slime? It kind of feels like it's burning like my fingers. Like it kind of has like a tingling feel. Like sometimes when I like use like a lot of Tide, you know? I don't know. I've like, it happens to me when I use Tide, but I didn't put any Tide in here. I don't know, maybe it's like me. Maybe I'm just scared of this glue. I'll just keep doing it. It's kind of fine. It doesn't hurt that much. It just kind of stings. Maybe it's just getting into my skin or something. I don't know. Well, if it's getting into my skin, maybe I should stop playing with it. Okay, this is starting to really sting. Oh my god. Okay, as you guys can see, it got very, very small. I still have to knead it a lot though. But it's starting to come off my hands. Alright, so here's my other one. This one is better, I feel like. I don't know, maybe I was playing with it more. But like, it's a bit smoother. But I guess I'll just mix them. The burning kind of went away a little bit, but I feel like it's just because I took off like the slime off my hands finally. But like it was starting to really burn, like tingle. It was really weird. Alright, I still have like this much left in the bowl, so I don't know if I should make it or not. I don't even know if it's makeable. I don't think it's makeable. All right, well, here's what I'm left with, guys. This little jiggly blob. It's very like soft, but like super hard and it just doesn't really stretch. Let me just wipe this shaving cream off my hands. Uh-oh, what did I do? Guys, this slime is so crazy. Like, what the heck? Like my judge! You guys have to spin around, touch the ground, then press the subscribe button, and press the like button in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys do it? Make sure you comment down below, hashtag I did it. And let's go back to this. Okay, this is the weirdest slime ever, guys. Like it has such a weird texture, guys. It's kind of like a store-bought slime now that I think about it. Alrighty guys, well I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get a new bowl and I'm going to try and activate it with baking soda and we're gonna see how that goes. Alrighty guys, we're gonna try this again, but this time I'm gonna try and activate it with baking soda. Alrighty guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just put some baking soda in there. I'm just gonna put a lot because let's face it, this needs a lot. You know what? Let's just throw it all in there. Let's see what happens. Okay. Still no? It's not working. Maybe since I put baking soda, it'll activate. Okay, well I don't think they're saving any of this. Alright, I'm gonna put some glue all though. We're gonna put a bunch of glue all in here and hopefully we can save it. And we're also gonna see what will happen to it. Maybe it'll turn out really cool. Maybe it will turn out really terrible. Who knows? We'll know in a little bit. Oh god, why did I do this? Is it mixing? It's mixing, right? Oh gosh, this is such a terrible idea. Why did I do this? This had baking soda in it. Uh-oh. It's okay. We'll add a bunch of lotion. Why is there foamy in lotion? Okay, let's see. Does that fix it? Yes? You know, that's not gonna fix it. Why did I even try? Paul, I have a very big slime blob. Okay guys, I'm taking it out. Let's see. Oh, this is burning my hands again. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh no. Okay, I'm just gonna try and finish making the slime. See what happens. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Alright guys, I'm finally done with it. It actually turned out pretty good. Like, this is honestly really weird. Like, it turned out like really thick. It's kind of like a store-bought slime or something, but it's very interesting. Okay, I cannot wait till this like gets rid of all the bubbles, you know? Wow. Guys, I think I just found out a new recipe, guys. This is crazy. It's so thick. Maybe it's just the baking soda. I wonder. All right, well, I guess that's it with this slime. I cannot wait till all the bubbles go away. Alright guys, you guys comment down below if you ever seen a glue bottle like this before and what you think I should do with it, because I have not finished it. I have no idea what to do with it. Like, what happened to this glue bottle? You guys comment down below what you think would happen, and make sure you press the subscribe button for videos every single day. And yeah, that's it. I love you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!